Hi, this is Lisa Walsh. Today I'm wanting to talk to you about doTERRA's Easy Air blend, which is their respiratory blend. It's also called Breathe in the US. So that's made up of a few different oils. It is made up of laurel, eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, lemon, cardamom, ravinstara and ravinsara. So it's basically, you can use it for anything respiratory. So it really helps open up all your airways and your sinuses. It can support your respiratory system all year round. So sometimes you may think that you may only need that help during the winter months, but it's really helpful for the whole year because it will also aid in things like hay fever, and different allergies such as dust mite allergies and whatnot. I find that's really helpful for my little boy. They're really good to use when you've got a cough or a cold as well, just to help open up all your airways and soothe your cough. It can also help calm anxious feelings. So if you think that when you're anxious, you can often shut down and you're probably not breathing properly. So this can help you take those nice big deep breaths and open everything up and help you calm down. It can also help you have a restful sleep. So as you can imagine, when you're settling down to go to sleep, your breathing is really, really important for the quality of your sleep. So if you can open up your airways, you will have much more restful sleep. Also, if there's anybody that may be snoring in the household, it can help for that. I can personally attest that it will help for that. Now there's two ways you can use the Easy Air blend. You can use it aromatically, which means as simple as breathing it from the bottle, or it may mean popping a drop onto your hand. Now you guys have all got the little sample bottles, so when you go to put a drop in your hand, I'm just going to grab one here. The best way to get the oil out is to give it a little tap on the bottom, like this, and a drop will come out for you. But I've got a full-size bottle, but so you could literally just be taking it and popping a drop in your hand and breathing it off that way. You could also be using it in a diffuser. So I really like to put Easy Air and On Guard, our protective blend, which you'll also learn about in this event. I like to pop them in the diffuser together at this time of year in the morning before my kids go off to school. So I know they're getting that that protection that they're inhaling before they go off to school. You could also use it with, say, lavender, how I spoke about using it for a restful sleep. So use it with your lavender blend at night time, either applying it or diffusing it. They're beautiful blends together. So that's using it aromatically. You can also apply them topically. So if we're applying any essential oils to our skin, we recommend diluting them. So doTERRA does fractionated coconut oil. So it would just be as simple as popping a drop of the Easy Air in your hand, a small amount of the coconut oil, and rubbing them, and then you could be applying them topically to the skin. So the chest is a really good place for Easy Air as it's affecting the respiratory system. The back, the bottom of the feet is really good for children as well, especially if they maybe don't like the smell or you're worried about them touching it. And there are reflexology points on the bottom of the feet for all the body systems. And the respiratory system is sort of sitting beneath the big and the toe next to that on the pad of the foot there. And there's all charts you can search for on the internet to find that. Yeah, so those would be the main two ways that you would be using them. So following on from that, I'm going to show you how just to make up an easy rollerball bottle today. These are rollerball bottles. This is a 10ml one, and you can get them in 5 and varying other sizes as well. There's a little rollerball that sits in the top, but I've taken it out because I'm going to put my essential oil in it. So for an adult, I'm going to make this up for. I would put between 5 and 10 drops in a 10ml bottle. So I'm going to pop those in. 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm simply going to top it up with the fractionated coconut oil. I'm just going to squirt that in. I'm going to fill it up to almost the top, Just giving myself enough room to put the rollerball bottle in so it doesn't overflow. That simply slots in like that. Then pop the lid on, give it a mix, and it's ready to go to be applied directly to my chest or the bottom of my feet. Always remembering to put a label, which doTERRA provides, on the top so you know which essential oil rollerball bottle you've mixed up. Anyway, I hope you found that helpful. Have a great day.